273. 273. Howard. 225. 225.
Hey, what's going on?
How come nobody got no judges out here?
Any what?
Judges.
Jerseys?
Judge. You know, GTO judge, 69.
Oh,
GTO
I haven't.
judge.
Nope, I haven't seen one
No,
yet.
I am seeing that.
I'm looking. I'm making my way back down that one.
All the way down over in the village.
That's a very special car, yeah.
In the village, I ain't seen one. I used to have a 69.
You'll have to be the guy that brings the judge here.
I have to get another one.
Yeah. Truck.
Yeah, that's a nice bag, isn't it? Along with the wrenches, with the sockets. I'm looking for 226. 226. Terry, not
fast.
listening, man. 226. Hey, by the way, if anybody is looking to get some pinstriping work done, I got Miguel. I finally tracked him down. He's over here. He's been working so hard. Good old Miguel, you're right. He's over here doing some striping work for me. If you want, come on over and talk to him. But when he's done with my job, get a card from him. He'll do some great work for me. That'll guarantee. I'll take that thing down to 23. Sure. All right. 4 more numbers. 289. Good engine from Ford. 215. What was it? What? Small block Buick, wasn't it? 268. And 246. 289.